Hello guys, this is God's Power like you know, and today I will show you how you can make free money online. It's free, so all you just need to do, use this application and you'll be getting paid in a very simple way. If you want to learn this, just keep on working. So guys, come to your Google Play Store and search for Appkarma. So once you search for Appkarma, this is the application. So once you have searched for the Appkarma, you can see Appkarma have 333k review, and you have 5 million plus downloads. And yeah, so if I click on those pictures that you can see here, you can see this is Appkarma. And yeah, so you can go through to see the review of Appkarma, but you don't need to go through the review because I will tell you how Appkarma is working. It's very simple to use. Just pay attention. I will show you how you can make money with Appkarma. So let's assume now that you have installed the application. This is how it will look on your smartphone. So this is the application you can see here, Appkarma. I will click on Appkarma. So what is going to do is going to load up and it's going to open up. And this is my own main account. And how Appkarma works is very simple. It's just a step-by-step guide. So first, you just need to register with your phone number, not your phone number, but with your Gmail. So yeah, you have to register with your Gmail. And it's very simple. Enter your Gmail and password and your account will be created. They will send you an email. Then you need to click on that Gmail they send to you for verification of your account. So once you click on verification of your account, you will see your account to be, you will see that your account to be verified. You will see that your account to be verified. So you have to come back to the application, click on it, open it. And how Appkarma works is very simple. How it works is that you can download the application, you can watch ads, you are getting paid for doing all those very simple things. You can see where it says daily reward. If I click on this section here and I click on OK, what it's going to do is going to prompt me to a place where I will be able to watch video, and once I watch that video or complete that particular task, I will get paid. The section where it says mystery. If I click on mystery here, it's going to tell me to go and install this application, use it according to the requirement. You can see install the app plus open. So install the app and open it. Just use it for like 2 minutes, and you use it like 2 minutes and uninstall it and come back to Appkarma. This 83 points will be added to your Appkarma points, and that is how you can do that. You can do skip if you want to like go to another application and it will take you to this application. You can see this application is telling you install the app, open it and register. They only need new user only, and once you do that, you install it, use it, and you will get paid. You can see what they require from you. Install the app and register. Only new user. You can see new users only. So if you are not a new user, you cannot use this application. So that is how this application works. That is how you make points and you can convert your points into cash. So if I scroll down here, you can see that you can install all those applications. You can see like this one here. If I click it, it's going to pay me 29,040 points for using this application, which is called eToro. So you can see that he wants you to deposit a minimum amount of $50 into eToro account, and you will be able to get this 29,000 points. So that is how it works. If you don't have eToro account, that is when you can do that. And they have a bunch of applications you can like use here, and you will get paid for just downloading all those applications, using it, and you will get paid. So that is how Appkarma works. So I hope you understand what I'm talking about here. And if you click on progress is where you find all the progress of the application you have installed, the application that is where you find all the whole application that is in progress, and etc, etc. So that is how the application works. It's very simple, and you can do a lot of things on this application, which is called Appkarma. If you scroll down, keep on scrolling down, you can see there's a bunch of applications that you can install and make money from them at the end of the day. So why can't you just come and start using Appkarma? You can see there's a bunch of apps that you need to install. So there's unlimited apps that you can install from this application, which is Appkarma, and you are getting paid in return. And if you scroll down, you will see they have bonus. If I click on this bonus icon, it's going to pop up here asking us to download the other application, which is called Cashkarma. It's another app again that you can use to make money online, just like Appkarma. So that is how it works. It's very simple. I hope you get idea of how this application and how you can make money from Appkarma. And another way you can make money from Appkarma is their referral program. If I click on invite friend here, you see on this section, if you invite anyone to this program, you are going to be making 30% lifetime points from that person. You can see in 30% reward, in 30% of what your friend earned from completing offers. So when you refer them, you will get 300 karma points, and when they start using Appkarma, you'll be making 30% points from what they are earning. Let me say they got 100 points, you will get 30% points from what they get. So that is how the referral program works. You can use my link; it will be in the description if you want. So that is how Appkarma works. If I click on reward, this how you can get your money. If you click on reward, how you can get paid. Let me say if you want to get paid. Once you click on reward here, you click on country and you can select your country to see the gift card that is available in your own country. Let me see if you are in US. I click on US now. You will see there's a bunch of gift card available in US, and all you just need to do choose the gift card that you want to use to redeem your money, and the money will be sent into your paper into that account that you wish to withdraw your money. You can see there's PayPal here. If I click on PayPal now, you will see PayPal will pay me up to $50 for just using this application. So if I have the minimum amount, let me say I want to withdraw $50. I click on $50. It's telling me that I need to have at least 52,500 points to be able to redeem $50 into my PayPal account. So that is how it works. For those of you who is using Amazon, you can use Amazon. You can see up to $100 Amazon gift card that you can withdraw from this application, which is called Appkarma. So it keeps on going. It keeps on going like that. There's a bunch of things that you can use to redeem your money. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, you find it helpful and you find it useful. I'll end this video from here. And before I end the video, I want to give you the bonus part of this video is that, let me say for example you want to multiply your earning. What you need to do, you need to set your phone, go and develop your phone, put your phone in developer option. And what happens when you put your phone in developer option is when you put your phone in developer option mode, and you set your phone as screen will never sleep while charging. So while you are charging your phone, install any application. As long as the application is open, you will start getting unlimited points. But it have to be application that tells you which is this session where you can play games. Where it says this session, you see this session where it says playtime. When I click on playtime here, so what is happening here is that this session where it says playtime is going to take you a place where you have to install application. More you are using this application, as long as you open this application, it's open. You plug your phone on charger, just leave the application without playing the game, you will make unlimited points in this way. So just leave it on, make sure you have internet connection. As long as it's running, the application is running in your smartphone background, you will make unlimited cash. That is how you can do that. If I click on next now, it's going to take us to where we can download applications. And once we install the application, you can see 7 Karma for 1 minute, and then install any game here, you will start making points, unlimited cash. So that is how this application, which is Appkarma, work, and that is how you can increase your earnings if you want to. It's just a trick I'm giving you here. So I hope you find this video helpful. You find the tricks and everything that I said on this video helpful. So you can use the link in the description if you want. I will say thank you very much, and I will say see you soon on a way on how you can make money online. Don't forget again, smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you on the next one.